How to assign or change the keyboard shortcuts for running a Python code in VS Code. So it's so simple. First of all, you need to, as you can see, if I right click here, if I right click in the middle of this code editor, and if I go to this part, run Python, you can see run Python file in terminal does not have any specific shortcut, but I want to assign a shortcut for this. So in order to do so, I press Ctrl K and then I release the keys. And once again, I press Ctrl S. I mean, it's two, you should press two things, two shortcuts, Ctrl K, then release the keys, and then Ctrl S. After that, this window pops up. And here you should simply type run Python because you want to run a Python code. So as you can see here, it says Python and then run Python file. I want to assign a shortcut for this. So because it doesn't have any shortcut, you know, this plus icon appears. But if it does have a shortcut, this pencil icon appears. But it doesn't have, so I should click on this plus icon. And then I should press the shortcuts that I want to press. So I want to press Ctrl Shift F10 because it is similar to PyCharm. And then I press Enter. And then after that, let's delete this and I close this window. So now if I press Ctrl Shift F10, as you can see, it runs this code in the terminal and here's the results. So as you can see, the shortcut is working properly.